everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lisa.
Hello, Lisa, and hello to all our lovely listeners. I'm Mark.
Today's lesson is very special.
Yes, today we will practice 50 New Year English sentences for daily speaking.
We will speak slowly and clearly.
Please listen and repeat after us.
Let's begin.
Happy New Year.
I wish you a happy and healthy new year.
I wish you success this new year.
I hope all your dreams come true this year.
Happy New Year to you and your family.
Wishing you peace and happiness in the new year.
Let's welcome the new year with a smile.
New year, new hopes.
This year will be better.
I'm excited about the new year.
I feel happy at the start of the new year.
The new year gives me hope.
I feel motivated today.
I want to start fresh this year.
Last year taught me many lessons.
I am thankful for last year.
This new year feels special.
I feel positive about the future.
I want to improve myself this year.
I want to improve myself this year.
I am ready for new challenges.
My New Year resolution is to learn English.
I want to speak English every day.
I plan to wake up early.
I want to exercise daily.
I will eat healthy food.
I want to read more books.
I will use my phone less.
I want to save money this year.
I will be more disciplined.
I will work hard to reach my goals.
I will follow a daily routine.
I plan my day every morning.
I want to be consistent.
Small habits make big changes.
I will practice English for 10 minutes daily.
I will not give up easily.
I want to manage my time better.
I will focus on my goals.
I will learn something new every day.
This year is about self-improvement.
The new year is a new beginning.
Every day is a new chance.
I believe in myself.
I will stay positive.
Hard work brings success.
Consistency is more important than motivation.
I will keep moving forward.
I will learn from my mistakes.
This new year will change my life.
I wish you a successful and happy new year.
Great job! You practiced 50 New Year English sentences.
Please repeat these sentences every day.
Practice makes you confident.
Write your favorite New Year sentence in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily English Chat.
Learn English step by step with real conversations.
Happy New Year!
See you next time. Bye.